hike up the Mamores loop, 10 different munros. It's going to be like our biggest day ever. I think it's about 38 kilometers of walking, so big day. We've got big bags, but the sun's out and it's blue skies, so got to go make the most of the good weather. We're in Glen Nevis now. Fort William's just over that way. Ben Nevis is just up behind us.
Yeah, we camped just on the other side of Fort William last night.
Stunning.
And it was such an amazing spot, but the midges, oh my god, I think they just came back to life from the whole of winter.
They're here for the same reason we are. They're like, good weather, let's go eat some tourists.
They're all backpacking today.
They were vicious.
They were vicious.
A little bit of a breeze today, so hopefully it should keep them off us.
Boys got their backpacks packed. Let's go.
I'll have a couple more of these now.
Okay.
How do you feel? Is that good weight?
Yeah.
Fine.
Alright, we're off. Got our bag. Am I doing the hike or is the bag doing the hike? That was a bad joke. We're going off onto the Mamores 10. So yeah, hopefully, wish us luck. I've changed shorts already. I bring this.
Probably the biggest book ever. What are you doing?
When you take your backpack off, it literally feels like you're walking on air. I'm floating right now. Yay, run there! Hey.
So we just set up camp for the night, finished our dinner, gone to refill up our water, and we're going to make a nice little tea and then watch the sunset.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a really good one because the clouds are kind of like a bit hazy, so you normally get such nice like sunset colours then, don't you?
Good.
I mean, it's so beautiful anyway.
It's absolutely stunning. It was a really nice walk up and over. Picked off 2 munros. Stop ban. I think it's just up behind the camera. And then tomorrow we're going to zigzag up that way, see how far we get. But we're 10 kilometers in, and so we've got 26 left to go. Yeah, big day tomorrow, I think, and then hopefully the last day can just be a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
But the boys are having a great time. They're running around sniffing everything.
The views, the mountains.
It's just absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there was hardly anyone here on the walk. Like, we passed a couple of people, but so quiet.
To quote
Billy Connolly. Scotland's
just unbelievable, and there's no bugger here.
Nailed it. Fine?
Hey.
Actually, don't even tell me. Time's top of it. Yeah. So we walk. That's where we are now. Then we'll go zigzag up there.
You do that one.
You ready?
Right, first Munro of the day. We're gonna leave our bags here, go up, get it and then go back.
Yeah, it's like an out and back just to get it.
Yeah,
So.
I'm not carrying those unless I have to. This is so easy to walk.
Ditch the bags, now it's just like...
So yesterday we came up that far one, up there, down there.
That's where we
Just down
camped.
there, that's the one where we camped. Yay!
How's the apple?
You absolutely cannot convince me that there's a better apple than a Granny Smith.
Golden delicious.
Absolutely not. Granny Smith forever. Like, so zesty, tangy, green. Golden Delicious is just like piss yellow. You just don't get this kind of crunch with another apple.
Give us the best crunch.
That was the sound of a Granny Smith.
The old shin crack. Number 4. Woo! And then number 5. What are we thinking?
So we've decided to sod off Angurnach.
It's so hot.
It's so hot.
We're pretty beat.
We need water and we still have to go up that one. So we've decided to sack off that one because it's just so hot and we're so tired. But actually it means that we get to come back for that one, which is pretty epic because look at it.
I think the actual Munro is even behind that one. It would be cool to come back and like
That is an epic one.
do that with fresh legs.
So it's no longer the Mamores 10, it is now the Mamores 9. That's still plenty for me, I reckon.
How's the legs feeling?
So tired.
Did we bite off more than we could chew?
I think we did buy off more than we could. First overnight hike of the year.
It's a big one.
Definitely always overestimate how much you can carry. My feet are so much pain.
Look at those little hooves hanging you along.
We contemplated just walking down the valley.
Yeah.
And just joining the West Island Way. We still have one Munro left for today, and yeah, going into the valley is going to be even longer than that. So on the other side of the Munro there's a lock which we can camp at, fill up water. It's windy now as well, so all the midges are gone, so
Perfect.
that's keeping us going.
Exactly.
And here you go.
Little bag of...
I don't know, we saw this somewhere on TikTok or Instagram or something. Someone was like, bring little sweets. And we're not really like people who eat sweets, but we brought them on this hike. And honestly, it's incredible.
Little candies.
Whenever you're feeling tired,
Little fruit pastel.
they keep you going. We've not got many left though.
Gotta save some for tomorrow. Can't beat it. Up and up and up. Look where we just came down from.
I know.
So we're doing all right.
We came from...
Yeah, beyond that one.
Oh, yeah. Classic us. Always thinking that we can do so much more.
Undertrain and overestimate.
All the gear, no idea. Almost there.
Almost there. The boys have still got so much energy. I'm pooped.
I'm so pooped. I'm so tired and the dogs are just like...
That's where we're headed.
Hiked up with this for 2 days. A craft, golden, non-alcoholic, athletic brewing.
This is the moment we've been waiting for.
This is the moment we've been waiting for. I actually forgot that this was in my bag, to be fair.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Is it good?
Oh my god. I don't want to jinx it, but the midges aren't here.
They haven't found us yet.
It's not windy. There's no midge.
Right, let's make some dinner.
Okay.
Cheers.
So ready for this. Extra large mac and greens.
Mac and greens. Oh, it looks good actually.
Does it?
Got to camp about half an hour ago, set up the tent, fill up the water. It's a big day today. I think we underestimated how much elevation gain we'd have to do. But we got to where we wanted to camp, which was obviously next to this little loch. But it meant we'd have to skip 3 munros to get here. Just because we looked at the time, thought about how much energy we had. Not worth pushing ourselves for it. Maybe we think about doing them tomorrow, or we should come back another time. But the views today have just been absolutely stunning.
There was one moment where the wind just disappeared and there was so many midges.
Yeah, that was hard work, wasn't it?
That's what we were contemplating life at that point.
Yeah. But other than that, we've been super lucky with the weather. So many people walking past, looking at the dog's backpacks, oh, what have you got in here? What's in there? Every time it's it's their own dinner. No, they're not carrying any of our stuff. Yes, they're loving it. Yes, they're having a good time. Yeah, the boys are tired now though. Tired spaniel is a happy spaniel.
Yeah. My feet are
our
sore.
feet.
You underestimate how much harder it is with the massive bags.
We just need to get better at packing light, I think.
Yeah. If someone has any ultralight packing tips,
we would love to hear them.
You always want to become an ultralight enthusiast when you're on a hike
When
carrying
you've got
a
the
massive
heaviest
bag.
stuff on, yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Up under there. Up under there.
Getting all the little spots, Ollie.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Enjoying breakfast.
Very good. I'm enjoying it, and the midges aren't enjoying it too, so.
You're their breakfast.
I'm their breakfast. Nice, honey. Good boy. Come on, honey.
Oh wow, thank you. Oh, big stretch, Henry.
Oh, Henry.
decided to skip out the Eastern Four because apparently there's a really nice loop you can do just for those. And then today now we can just head straight back to the car. Because we had to skip the Eastern Four, we're now on the slightly less often walked path, which means we're doing a bit of wayfinding and having to just figure out where to go. But we're aiming for that river, so as long as we keep that in front of us, we can't go far wrong. Famous last words. We'll check in. If anyone finds this footage and we're like in a bog,
if this footage is on YouTube,
email it to my mum. Oh yeah, if you're watching this, we made it.
we're not in a bog somewhere.
We're not in a bog.
Boys are having a whale of a time.
Boys are loving it. So many sniffs.
Oh.
Refreshing.
Just had some lunch, had some beans, had a swim. Now we've got, I think, about 7 kilometres just to walk out back to the car. And we've got perfect weather. It's hot, it's sunny, we've got wind, so there's no midges. A beautiful stream with swimming places.
Life is good.
Life is good. Life is so good. I feel like if someone asked me to show a little snippet of Scotland in one place, it would be here. Like, amazing mountains, little stream, places to swim, a breeze, enough to keep the midges away. Maybe that's not true Scotland, but
It's pretty good.
if I could bottle a moment, it would be right now. Thank you for coming to my inspirational talk. That was incredible. I had no idea that was here.
Nice little treat at the end of the day.
Someone else was just like, oh, have you gone to the waterfall at the bottom? We were like, no.
Absolutely stunning.
This is the most amazing waterfall I've ever seen.
So cool. It'd be so nice to come back here and
I
like
know.
swim, and for now though I've got to get this backpack off.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's
Get
go.
pizza. Pizza.
Good boy, good boy. Good boy, Wiley.
That all the best hikes end on like this grueling concrete wall
It's just this endless
to the car park.
in every direction.
It just never ends.
Come on, Willie, quick! Quick! We made it. Good boy, you did so well.